Standing outside this Greek Revival home, you'll think boring traditional floor plan. Do I have a surprise for you? Come take a tour with me of 137 Wellesley Street in Weston. Think you'll be surprised. I'm Ann Hinks with Keller Williams Realty Boston Northwest, and I can't wait to show you all around this home. Once you step inside, you'll immediately notice one of the unique features of this home. It is the elegant, one-of-a-kind staircase that follows the gentle curving walls. As we talked about, this is not your traditional boxy floor plan. It has been opened up to provide a circular flow. From the large living room with its wood-burning fireplace, where you can have lavish events, to the chef-designed spectacular kitchen, to a dining room where you can have elegant meals. And finally, if you're looking for your own quiet space, you can have your study surrounded by your books. So let's take a look upstairs of this truly wonderful house, where you will see how it defies the traditional look of the front. So here I am on the second floor landing, right in front of the primary bedroom. This room is so spacious that you not only have room for your large king bed, you also have a sitting area in front of a fireplace for those cool winter nights. Let's go on inside and take a closer look. As you can see, the show-stopping feature of the primary bedroom is the entire back wall. It was redesigned using New England fieldstone, glass, and steel framing, and it happens to also be shared in the kitchen below. It provides this spectacular view out to fields and conservation land. There is so much more to discover about this distinctive home. Click on the link below for our digital brochure, and then call me for your own private tour.